With this video, I want to help you get started with XCSoar. We will download and install XCSoar, and then we will download terrain data to give you a moving map of wherever you are in the world, together with airspace data. First, we download XCSoar. For that, we go to the Play Store and search for XCSoar. It's right here, and we simply click the install button to download and install the app. We are ready to open XCSoar by clicking on the icon. This brings us to the start screen. At the bottom we have two buttons. One is fly and the other one is sim for simulation, which is useful later on. But for now we will go ahead and click on the button fly. This brings us to the main navigation screen. As you can see, there's so far not much information shown on the main navigation screen. It's just a white map, but we'll soon change that. First, a double tap will open the context menu, just like this. Next, we will go on the config button. This opens somewhat like the main menu. At the bottom, you can see that there are three different sets of menu buttons in this config menu. I can cycle through them. This is config 2, config 3. One more click closes it. So double tap opens the menu, config. Now we want to go to the system button, and here is site files already selected with the site files under menu. Click on that. Now we want to download the map, so we click on the open the white field next to map database. Again white, but if we click on the download button at the bottom, we actually get a comprehensive list of all the terrain files in the world. I'm currently in the US, so I'm just gonna go for US California Truckee high res. Click on download. Obviously you should download the file that is suitable for your location. But what we can see now is that XCSoar downloads this high resolution terrain file. So once that is done, that will make the previously white navigation space nice and colorful, and actually provides a lot of information in flight. Now the terrain file has downloaded and the terrain map name is shown here. We can close both displays, and XCSoar will quickly load the terrain file, and ta-da! We can see the terrain is shown, and it's a moving map. Two fingers touching the screen, we enter the pan mode, so you can pan around and zoom out, zoom in, and yeah, you can see the airports and the general terrain. Good, with the terrain loaded, I want to show you one more thing. We can click on pan off to get back to the moving map that is centered on our plane. Again, a double tap opens the context menu. Let's go back to config, system, and to site files. What I want to show you is how to load airspace data, because that is also available pretty much worldwide with XCSoar. Click on the white field next to airspaces. Again, download. I will go to USA. You can download whatever is suitable for you. Click download and the download will start. Good, the download is finished. I will close these two screens, and here we are. The airspaces have loaded. In the Bay Area there's a lot going on. The airspaces can be quite confusing, like in this very crowded area. So if you don't want to see airspaces, just double tap, go to display, to the second page of the display menu, and show airspaces off, and they disappear. Great. This brings us to the end of this video. So I've shown you how to download and install XCSoar, how to start it, and to download a moving map of wherever you are in the world, plus the airspaces around you. I hope that was helpful. In the next video, I want to focus on waypoints, how to load and to store them, and then also how to use them in flight for navigation.